Hello children, welcome to this English class. Students, as you know, we are doing revision and yesterday we discussed the summary of the chapter 6 and the name of the chapter is My Childhood. Today we will discuss important questions from this chapter. So, here are questions. First question is, in which standard Abdul was when the new teacher with a conservative mind had come to his class? So, options are 4th standard, 5th standard, 7th standard or 6th standard. So, Abdul was in 5th standard when the new teacher with a conservative mind had come to his class. So, Abdul was in 5th standard. Okay, so B option is correct. Now, second question is, the name of the marriage site situated in the middle of the pond near to Abdul's house was. ठीक है, विच ऑप्शन इज राइट? बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हेयर. द नेम ऑफ द पॉन्ड वॉज रामा तीर्था. सो वी विल करेक्ट बी ऑप्शन रामा तीर्था. ओके, बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट रामा तीर्था. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज सुब्रमण्यज expectations from Abdul Kalam was. Options are that Abdul will become the president, that Abdul will become the prime minister, that Abdul will be equal to the highly educated people of big cities, or fourth option is that Abdul will become filthy rich. So which option is correct? C option is correct, that Abdul will be equal to the highly educated people of big cities. So we will tick C option. Okay. Now our fourth question is, which author's line did Abdul's father quote in the end of the chapter? So which author's line Abdul's father quote? Khalil Gibran's. Yes, right option is B. Khalil Gibran's famous quote is there in the end of the chapter from the poem Your Children. Okay, the quote was taken from the Khalil Gibran's famous poem Your Children. Okay, now our next question is, Abdul's father believed in. Options are freedom of thought, communal difference, caste system or supernatural power. So which option is correct? A option is correct. Abdul's father believed in freedom of thoughts. Okay. Our next question is, Indians will build their own India. Who said this? So options are शिव सुब्रमण्य, APJ Abdul Kalam, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose or Mahatma Gandhi. So who said this? Indians will build their own India. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, D option is right option. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi said this. Next question is, Subramania's aim was to. Options are humiliate Abdul, to break the social barriers that restricted people to mingle, to fight in the Second World War, or to become rich. So which option is correct? B option is correct, to break the social barriers that restricted people to mingle. Okay, so we will take B option. Our next eighth question is, wife of Abdul's science teacher was horrified with the. Options are communal violence, idea of Muslim boy invited to dine with them, terror of Second World War or the flood disaster. So which option is correct? B option is correct. Abdul's science teacher's wife was horrified with the idea of Muslim boy invited to dine with them. Okay, so B option is correct here. Next ninth question is, how was the wife of Abdul science teacher initially? Initially means starting में उनकी wife कैसी थी? उसके जो science teacher थे सुब्रमण्य अय्यर, उनकी wife कैसी थी? Options are poor, rich, conservative or beautiful. So C option is correct. Abdul's science teacher's wife was initially conservative. Okay, so we will take a C option, conservative. Okay, our next 10th question is, who warned the teacher not to spread communal intolerance? So options are Lakshmana Shastri, Ramananda Shastri, Ramesh Shastri or the principal of the school. So which option is correct? A option is correct. Lakshmana Shastri warned the teacher not to spread the communal intolerance. And who was Lakshmana Shastri? Lakshmana Shastri was the high priest of Rameshwaram temple and the father of Ramananda Shastri. Okay. Next question, 11th question is, in which state of India is Rameshwaram? So in which state of India is Rameshwaram? Rameshwaram is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. C option is correct. Our 12th question, Abdul Kalam became the 11th of India. So Abdul Kalam became the 11th president of India. So A option is a correct option. Understand, students? Now you have to revise this chapter. You have to read this chapter carefully, and in this way you have to do the practice of MCQs type question answers. Okay, thank you.